All right. We are live. We got that a little below. Live. We got that a little below. All right, guys. We still got that a little below. 1 second. I'm gonna go to my dog's house. All right, I'm back, guys. Yo, Ian, you there? Bro. I'm gonna switch my headphone battery just so it doesn't die while we're on stream here. All right. W. Let's go. You are late, Logan. Already full ported 3 accounts. Buenos dias. Hola, Carlos. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. So early today, yeah, we had news taking this inverse. Nah. Just from backtesting, I know this type of data low setup kind of sucks. Waiting for us to sweep buy side, then come to data low. Just from screen time, I know that that's really the best thing. If it does dump down, I mean, this just has a lower win rate, but if it does dump down, then we just look for a long off. Oh my gosh. To turn off my alarms. But yeah. I'm actually gonna book my haircut. Let me see if I can book my haircut today. Bro, are we serious? Yahoo is my search engine. Why is it Yahoo? I think I use too many YouTube to MP3 websites, and now my computer's all messed up. Where did I get my haircut from last time, bro? Because that's the only person that's ever done my hair right. What's happening in the US every day someone dies? You've been gaining weight? No, I'm trying to, bro. There's stuff in my face. Yeah, but I don't know, dude. Um, I would talk about why I think he died, but I'm not gonna talk about that on here. I think it's illegal to talk about that now, actually. It's kind of crazy. The a country with the First Amendment is the country that makes it illegal to talk about certain things. Let me see, bro. Um, remembers literally 10 minutes from where Charlie got shot. Confident about this data low. Yeah, I'm confident about this data low. I just don't like any of these. None of these setups here. Um, yeah, it's sad. I really wanted to meet him one day too. For a 12-minute time frame. Didn't even know that existed. The comment gets deleted. Oh hell no. What comment? You said I've been gaining weight. That's the last one I saw. That's the last one I see. What'd you say? Okay. Oh. Yo, what's up, Ian? Sorry, I didn't see your call.
You're good. My computer's being weird right now.
Thank you for calling me. You're such a good boy. Ian, do you wait? Yo, wait, wait, did they pass this law yet? You sent it? Okay, let me check Discord. You're talking about oh. YouTube MP3 sites. Oh. I don't know what that is though. Oh, I want to make one of those tags too. Once we start the Discord, it'd be cool. Ian, you know the little tag next to the name? Ian. Bruh. Of course this kid's not there. He's not a locked in trader. Imagine we just go to all time highs here. All time highs likes doing that sometimes. We still have yesterday's data high as well. Then we have all time highs right there. Let me go ahead and clear up some of my chart real quick. Ian.
Hmm?
We might do what I wanted. We might take out the spy side and get a short setup. Check something. All right, we're good. We can trade. I'll send you a soybean signal. Okay. I think we're pretty bullish. I think we will not take this data low. Okay, sure. You can get that custom tag for our Discord community. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Almost every day. Let me know if you want to see it, Peanut. I'm definitely not shorting this data low right now. And we do have the data high above as well, so taking out this data low below would be more important.
Not for a family of
one was that about a month ago, a close friend of Charlie said that he was concerned for his life.
Bro, this is why
What?
I can't talk about this on Gon or Killua. Oh, that's hard. That's hard, bro. Because when Gon got mad, bro, when Gon got mad and got his hands on Pito, it was over, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, Killua was aura farming all of Hunter x Hunter, but Gon was like the crash out. And then when they were at Heaven's Arena, bro, he wasn't ducking any fades, bro. At Heaven's Arena, bro. Lamb fam, you know the writer of Hunter x Hunter posted that he was working on new chapters. It's because he has health problems that he keeps stopping. Look, there's like a chart of his hiatuses. Someone made a website with all of his hiatuses on it. He's worked on. This was Chimera Ant. And then this was 13th chairman election right here. Finishes here at the end of the show. Then he starts working on Dark Continent. And then he stops. Then we have when they started to make Kurapika the main character. Then back to Dark Expedition, Dark Continent. And then it starts on the Succession contest, which I don't know any of these are because I haven't watched it or read the manga, but bruh. But no, he posted on Twitter he was working on some new chapters for the manga. When am I gonna watch One Piece? Yo, that is such a long anime. I don't know, dude. I'm not gonna watch it right now.
They're not enough fan service for you in One Piece.
Bro. Bro, Hunter x Hunter has like the least fan service out of any show, bro. And it is in my top 5.
What are you watching right now?
Just what am I watching right now? Free Rin. I don't think there's any fan service in that either. Like, bro, you guys, this kid thinks I only watch shows with fan service.
No, I don't think you only do, but bro,
Don't get me wrong, Fire Force had fan service, but
what was that fight scene from the one that you were watching?
bro. See, look. He posted, this was August 28th, August 26th. See, look, August 19th, posted a chapter done for 13, for 14 on 26, 28, for 15, for 16, for 17, for 18, for 19. That was September 10th. So his last post was yesterday. Ian's sound is so low. Bro, I swear I get the most differing opinions. People will be like, he's so loud and he's overbearing.
It
And
might
then
be
some
coming
people,
far from my mic.
it's going to be years until it gets animated, even if it does. It's definitely going to get animated, dude. It's one of the biggest animes in the world, and it barely even has, like the part of Hunter x Hunter that we have is like an intro. It's like, I don't know. Because they haven't even done anything with the magical beast yet. They've done literally nothing with the magical beast. That's the purpose of the dark continents. Like the chimera ants were from a dark continent. It was an animal that made it to it was a magical beast that made it from a dark continent to the mainland. And they introduced a bunch of like S rank hunters, like gene freaks, like friends. So much to left going versus Hisoka. Yeah. And then also they have a lot left to do with the Phantom Troop. They haven't really done much with them either. Gon's main objective was to meet his dad. Yeah, but he also wanted to be a hunter though. And now him and his dad are gonna go on like the dark continents or whatever. Is alike strongest of them all? What do you mean? What's alike? Oh, Aluka. I don't think so, honestly. Like, yeah, she can give you whatever wish you want, but I think they're still stronger than that because you have to trade. If you're not doing anything good with the wish, then you have to trade something like really bad. Like how she had to trade her fingernails for when he asked for, or when his brother asked for the computer, she had to rip her fingernails off. But then when he asked her to heal her fingernails, she did it without asking for anything. And then also, what is it? Like when he asked her to heal Gon, she didn't ask for anything either. Because when you ask for stuff that's not like selfish or whatever, she doesn't ask for anything. So it would be really strong if you had, like, she would technically be the strongest if you had a bunch of like sacrifices, because she'll start asking for. Remember the first time that showed her asking for like someone's like fingernails, and then she asked for like her heart and then like her spinal cord and stuff. And the girl was like freaking out, and she said no 4 times, and she like died. Should be the strongest if you just had like a group of prisoners, like inmates, and you could like death row inmates, and you just like lined them up and got them to do what she wanted. Why did you send this to me?
Who, me?
Yeah. Jerome Powell saying good afternoon. Why'd you send me a video of Jerome Powell saying good afternoon? Did, did you also try to straighten your hands and fingers when the devil is by Kilua to steal the heart of the prisoner? I don't know if I remember that. If we chop again, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. We're not at market open yet, so this is all pre-market. So there's a chance that we don't get anything right now and prices chopping, which makes sense because pre-market.
Logan, you watch any other shows like other than animes or no?
Like with my girlfriend, she had me watching like one of her like cop shows.
Like a drama show or what?
No, like cop, like when they have like they find like bad guys. Or no way, I just use that
Right.
word.
Oh, there's a lot of cop shows, but I didn't know if
Like-
it was like Criminal Minds
Yeah,
or what.
yeah. The one she was watching the other day was Criminal Minds, but she's watched like all of them, so she just rewatches them.
Okay.
We just finished Criminal Minds.
It's a long show, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot of seasons. No way, TJR was break even yesterday with 2K lost in fees. That's insane. Yo, Ian, also think about it. High RR trading just makes no sense with prop firms because of the consistency rules.
Yeah.
Ask her to watch Boys Planet. Mine forced me to watch it all the way from the start. What is Boys Planet? Give you my top 3 anime? Okay. Alright. Number 1, High School DxD. No, I'm just No. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't have any specific order. I really don't have a specific order, but Naruto's up there. I have to put Naruto, Attack on Titan. Oh. Like, don't get me wrong, Hunter x Hunter was amazing, but the choreography for the fights was pretty mid. The choreography was pretty mid. Naruto, I put up there because the choreography was amazing. Have I watched Bleach yet? No, Bleach looks really good, but I haven't watched it yet. It's not on Crunchyroll, so I have to go on High Anime and watch it.
Don't you watch most of your stuff on High Anime?
No, watch most of it on Crunchyroll. I want to put Hunter x Hunter, but the choreography for a lot of the fights is just really mid. So I would put Naruto, Attack on Titan, and probably Black Clover. Probably Black Clover at my number 3. Here, Ian, real quick. I'm gonna go mute on stream. Hmm. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, they just yeah. I was asking you last night, like which one of the things do you think it was? Because it's definitely one of them. It's either or. Either he knew or he didn't. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm saying either he was forced into it because he went to something and he got compromised, or he did it on purpose. Like based on the character that he shows, I feel like he wouldn't be the type of person to purposefully do it. Based on the character he shows, no. But what do you mean? Because of what the? Yes, he is. He's not well. Okay, if you're considering like when he's debating, when he's making fun of someone that says some stupid shit. But him in general, yeah. Oh, wait.
In fact, we have
You are. I mean, you just know who owns YouTube, so I don't want to get in trouble. I just got monetized on YouTube. Bro, why can't I find it? All right, we still have 10 minutes till market open. What's up, Tavin? Tavin changed his profile picture. Bro, Ian, people are already protesting.
From that?
Yeah. Look what I sent you on
Protesting
Twitter.
who? The left wing?
No, the right. Bro, why don't I have you
No,
on
like
Twitter?
who are they protesting?
I don't know. They're protesting against them. They're protesting against them, Ian. Wait, what's your Twitter
Really?
username, bro?
I don't know. I think it's just my name.
No, I lost the video, bro. What is it? Ian Bellin. Bruh. Don't you open up that window. Don't you open up the window. Ian, don't you open up the window.
Huh?
Bro's a Cardi profile picture. Don't you open up the window.
On what?
On Twitter. Your bio says, don't you open up that window.
On Twitter?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been on Twitter in like a while.
Then how did you even see that he got shot?
Snapchat, TikTok.
Bro, how do I DM you on Twitter?
Can you? You probably can DM on Twitter. I
You
don't know.
can't. You can. How do
You
I?
mean you mean
I want to
mean
send you
X?
something. Bro, shut up. Follow me back, bro. Follow me back, bro. Did you follow me back?
Nah.
TSPMO. I can't add you to a DM, bro. Hurry up, bro. You're pissing me off.
Hurry up! What?
We still have 5 minutes till market open. Bro, hurry up and follow me back so I can DM you on Twitter.
Just send me it on like messages.
When I don't have it. Unless I saved it. No.
What are you looking for here? Market open.
I'm looking for us to take out data lows so we can long. Bro, please, bro. I need to send you this. Follow me back on Twitter. To Ian Bellin. Pissing me off. No results were found. Bro, Ian, you're pissing me off.
Why?
After Charlie Kirk was taken away from the stage, a man looted the stand to collect souvenirs. Bruh. Okay, we got 2 minutes till market open. What you were listening to is that. What's up? All right, we swept by side. What's up, Raving Talo? We swept some buy side here. Ian, you there? Swept some buy side here. We got data lows below. Let's see. This is market open here. I'm assuming market open is just going to pump up and go to all-time highs. We still got yesterday's data high above. We have today's data low below. If this 15-minute gap here, I would like to see a reaction to this 15-minute gap. Some buy side here. Huge SMT.
What 15-minute gap?
Higher time frame to the left.
We already traded in that one, no?
Yeah, I know. If we close above it, then that's if we if we close above it, it would be a good bullish sign. We haven't closed above it yet, and we also just tapped into an unfilled part of it just now. We do have SMTs at 930 high. I mean 831 high. That's good. We have an SMT here.
831 high, the news.
Yeah, right after the news.
Okay.
So it wasn't a data wick, but
Still have data highs from previous day.
yeah. So it's kind of awkward. If we soup this data high, that'll be really good. But the problem is, if ES takes it, ES is going to be at all-time highs. And if we take it, we're going to basically be at all-time highs. It's my bias for today. It's kind of hard. We have data lows, but we also have data highs from yesterday. So it's kind of hard. Kind of at all-time highs, so I don't want to be bearish here. Honestly, I'd prefer a sweep of data low than a long. How far are we from data low? That would be 130-point distribution though, so don't really want to wait until we get 130-point distribution to then look for a trade. Might open up this 5-minute here for a possible short. Swap this high to the left inside the gap. Possible 5-minute here. If we form it, we have another minute to wait for this to form. It'd be like this to data lows. This is a possibility. Sucks how close break even would be though. And like I said before, we do have SMTs at these highs here. We created equal highs on ES.
Are you gonna want to short with equal highs above?
Well, that's on ES.
Yeah.
So now we do have a possible 5-minute gap here. Be the highest time frame gap here. We don't have a 15-minute, so. Do you know like long's better than shorts right now? Well, we are in premium. I don't really want a long in premium. We have data low below. We also have a data high above though. I just want to see a reaction to this buy side here. See.
What buy side? Data highs?
You can see we took out 1050 high from yesterday.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the 15-minute gap is right next to it. And you see if we're rejecting this 15-minute gap again, that would be a good sign for shorts as well.
Yeah.
With an SMT at the highs as well. This would also be a Judas swing setup if we get this.
Or did the ES make equal highs with everything? Like triple equal highs.
Yeah, ES makes equal highs and equal lows all the time though. ES, it doesn't really matter as much. We might not even get our entry here though. Have our break even marked out.
Is your break even a little low, or is it the 5-minute?
There's no 5-minute. The 5 minutes where we're entering on. So it's the low.
There?
Oh no, there's a 5-minute all the way down there,
There.
yeah. But mine's at the low.
Alright.
So this would be 6 cons. Still
Oh,
have
not
2 minutes
7.
here.
6, 7.
It's about, bro. It's about. So it actually probably be one less con. Yeah, this would be a four cons. And it seems like it's gonna hit our break even before we get our entry here. We'll see. If it's too close, I might just limit order, to be honest.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
And if it does hit our break even before inversing, then we could just look for a long off of data low. It's closed below on every time frame. Well, except for the 4 minute, because 4 minute hasn't closed yet. 4 minute closes at the same time as the 5 minute. 3 minute just closed below on all of the gaps for the 3 minute. Literally every time frame is closing below except for the one that we need because we're waiting for it to close here. We'll see. Maybe it'll run without us. Maybe not. We'll see. I will get ready to enter though. Okay. And invalid. Nice. So invalid trade here.
I feel like that's just a weird spot to put your break even though. No,
No, it's internal low.
that's just a small internal low though.
Yeah, it's an internal low going into a 5 minute gap. We just tapped the 5 minute gap.
Yeah, I would have done it right here anyways.
Still a 1 minute. Check the 1 minute. That's like over trading, bro. And not entering on this, bro. I'm not entering on this 1 minute, bro. That's such a late entry. We're gonna go half size on the close, rest on re-entry. What do you mean? It already hit my break even. So I would be break even right now if I got an entry. I'll look for something off of this data low, or if we get like, if we close below these 5 minutes here, close below these 5 minutes, and we like, let's say we get a pullback to like a 15 minute, and we get like a continuation setup. Oh, retracing it before. No, I wouldn't go half size on the entry. If I was limit ordering, you said on the retrace. No, I wouldn't have went half size. I would have went full size. I definitely hope we run for these data lows here. Just unfortunate we didn't get an entry there. Now, if we take out these data lows, maybe a rebalance of a 5 minute gap or something. Or we'll get a continuation to data lows maybe. No way, dude. It looked so good just for it to go invalid, dude. Anyways, let's run anyways. I hope we run down. I hope this works so we can get a long off of data low. Because I want to be bullish, but I can't with data lows. Yeah, dude. If we would have gotten a retest entry too, oh my gosh. We would have already been at partials. It couldn't have waited 1 more minute to close. Or 1 more minute to dump. I mean... Did I take this trade? Bro. No. I didn't get an entry. It was invalid. Would I look for a continuation setup here? Yeah. If we form a 5-minute gap and get like this, or take that. But unfortunately, there was no entry for this one. I gotta change my battery for my camera. I would want to close below on this 5-minute though. I would want to close below. We're looking for continuation here. I don't want to short into a gap that's holding, so. Honestly, dumping down here, getting a 10 a.m. reversal. We have 15 more minutes until we are at 10 a.m. Dumping down here, having a 10 a.m. reversal would honestly probably be perfect. That's what we're waiting for. We got 70 people in stream, Ian. What the hell? I did not realize we had this many people. Let's go. But yeah, guys, I was looking to take this trade, and unfortunately, we did not get the trade. Okay, 1 second. Which indicator do I use for FBG? All of them. Just kidding. I don't use an indicator for FVG. I marked it myself. Now I'll go to move it to here. I like this. I like something here for continuation. We have not put in any failure swings though, so I wouldn't take anything here. So 15-minute FVG at 6 o'clock. That hasn't been swept. 6 o'clock. What do you mean? How do you sweep a fair value gap? I'll close below it. Wait, that's just because of the data wick. The news candle came out. That's why it looks like it hasn't closed below, because it was a big news candle that dumped below it and left the data low. I would like to see us respect this 5-minute. No, you're good. You're good, Tevin. Oh my gosh, dude, my headphones died. They turned off. They didn't die. Bro, I wonder where Ian is, bro. Ian's probably like gooning right now.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Ian.
What? Can you not hear me?
Oh, I can hear you now. I thought you were gooning or something. So we are about to put in this 2-minute. Now, like I said, I don't really want to take anything with no failure swing below. This will be the highest time frame inverse. Be this 2-minute. Do we put in a 3-minute? No, we have another minute till we put in a 3-minute here. Full port shorts. Yeah, I'm gonna full port shorts every day. I like that we put in a market structure shift here. Now, I don't really know if we're going to get a setup here. We just formed with a 3-minute, so now we'd have to wait 3 minutes to see if we get our entry. Ian, you're messing with this data low continuation setup?
Yeah.
Break even here. This is pretty good setup if I do say so myself.
You do say so yourself.
Sabow, 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 sabow. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna crash out. If we close above this 5-minute, then I'm gonna be bullish again. Oh my gosh. What are we doing?
You actually
Okay.
figure out data highs.
No,
Maybe not just.
it just made it SMT with this high though. SMT here. Why is it drawn out there? Wait, what? Oh, that's why. Sabow. 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 All right, let's see. I want to see about this close here. Sabow TSPMO. Bro, what are we doing? All right, we're probably gonna close above this 5-minute here.
So now we just take longs instead.
Well, the real thing that's gonna make me bullish is if we close above this 15-minute to the left. And that's in another 5 minutes after this candle. This candle will just make me look for a resweep of this high. Which, okay, we just swept out a high on ES. So we have an SMT at the highs. See if this 5 minute closes above it. If this 5 minute closes above, I would at least look for this internal buy side here. But if not, okay, I'm on MNQ. Let me check NQ. Okay, yeah, NQ closed above. Now I'm not looking for any delivery off this 5 minute anymore. If we get a resweep here of this buy side with SMT at data highs, we could look for data lows here. But we closed above this 5 minutes, so I would not be looking for delivery off of it. Oh my gosh. Bro, chat. We need a setup. Chat, we need a setup. Chat, we need a setup. Chat, we need a setup. Ian, are you itching to take a trade right now?
Yo, is the
Ian.
Demon Slayer movie not going to be in English? Or is it just sub?
I'm pretty sure it's sub. Why does it matter to you? You don't even watch Demon Slayer. Ian,
What's up?
why does it matter to you? You don't watch Demon Slayer.
I cannot hear you.
Why does it matter to you? You don't watch Demon Slayer.
I don't know. I was just curious.
Yeah. Sabao, bro. Sabao.
Is it dubbed or is it sub? I didn't know if you were not going to watch it if it was just sub.
It is sub.
Are you not going to go see it?
No, I am going to go see it. I have to buy my tickets. Sabao, bro. Come on, give me a setup. I need to pay the bills. Yo, do you think they timed the Charlie Kirk assassination with 9/11 the next day to try to forget about Charlie Kirk's assassination with 9/11 the next day?
I don't know.
But we should make September 10th National Charlie Kirk Day.
Like what, MLK Day?
Charlie Kirk uploaded 44 minutes ago, bruh. Yeah, I'm not looking for shorts here because we closed above the 5 minute. So we're obviously not delivering off of it. I'm looking for us to sweep this buy side. Maybe we sweep this buy side Create SMT with ES, but the problem is ES is at all-time highs. So even trying to short here just is a little weird. If we close above this 15-minute in 30 seconds, which I don't think we will, I would be bullish here. Just such a weird spot for us to be in. Okay. Oh, wait.
Old elevator mechanic and a member
with the government.
was a patriot.
Our state mental health crisis line. In addition to that, our partners with the FBI will also be discussing.
But we need open, high, low, close with SMT at the dead eyes. Okay, sorry. Do you take the short once that I was taking those a 5-minute iFVG? No, I didn't. I liked it, but it was invalid. I liked it until it became invalid. Took this out. Another no trade day. Bro, we still have 51 minute candles, bro. Maybe the problem is you. No, that's just this year, bro. Last year was so much better.
Yeah, bro, we made so much money last year.
Bro, last year was so much better, but I was bad at trading, bro. It's about, bro. It's about. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think it's time. We are now at 60 viewers. It is now time for us to goon on stream. Who wants to come on stream to goon? Yo, Ian.
What?
Who should we bring on stream to goon? Oh, good. We took out buy side.
This is what no trades does to a man,
We have
bro.
we have SMT at data highs. Potentially looking for a 10 amp open high low close here. Potential 1 minute, potential 30-second. SMT with data highs here. Potential iFVG on the 30-second here. Really, really tiny one. But looks something like this. Do we have any unfilled gaps to look for? Let me go on NQ real quick. It's better to look at NQ. Also, let me move this buy side. Okay, I think we put in the 1 minute. Nice. Okay, we should be putting it in. We have 6 seconds. It's a bit smaller on MNQ, but MNQ doesn't really matter too much when it comes to that. It really matters with NQ. Don't really have any unfilled 5 minutes. We have an unfilled 3 minute down here. The thing is, we might just pump up here. Because ES is at all-time highs. NQ has an SMT with these data highs here. Might put in this 2 minute here. You, Ian? You're leaving right now? Okay. Yeah, we didn't close above the 15-minute though. Okay, Ian, what do you think about this 1 minute? You see it? But we closed below there. It's a really bad 1 minute. It's the first one we made all day. Don't really know if I like this, dude. You could still enter here for a good fill. Oh, dude, it's already dumping. Damn. Guess I should have decided faster. Ian. Ian. Okay. It's not there. Okay, well, I missed out. I would have been break even and partial right here. 1 hour. Okay. Well. I'm 100% going to miss out here. Hopefully we get a setup later. Bro, Ian! Holy shit, this guy's always gone, bro. So his Wi-Fi went out. Alright. Okay, so that would have been a partial. Wait till CISD. Well, I missed my entry. I should have already entered and taken partials right here, 1 hour. Bro, no way this doesn't at least come back to break even, dude. If I was in this, I wouldn't want it to come to break even, but I mean, obviously. It's just such a weird setup. Yo, Ian, you there? Oh, wait, he left the call. Kind of putting in this. But yo, you there? Ian, bro. Why would you join the call and you're not gonna say anything? Hello? Bro. No way this runs all the way down to full TP, bro. I would have just done full TP here. I would have done break even. Yeah, I would have done this. I wouldn't have looked for more than this. Be serious, bro. Of course I hesitate on the only one that works, but it's the only gap we've gotten all day. I mean, we've gotten this one off market open. See if you're gonna take that. I had to take it. Yeah, dude, just It looked good, but is the only gap we've gotten all day. Ian! Bro, I'm not gonna sit in a call with you if you're not gonna talk. Yeah, it was really small. I don't know why I didn't take it. I'm actually so tilted right now because I didn't take that. No trades all week. I've edged my TP every single day, bro. 2 trades this week edged my TP. And then I take the only one that I don't take the only one that works. Like, I'm actually so tilted right now. Bro, he's fucking stupid, bro. He's not saying anything. I'm gonna sit in a call with him if he's not saying anything. I'm already irritated, bro. Yeah, maybe. If price wasn't so shit every single day. Maybe if we had one day of good price action. At least one day a week. All weeks in war. It's in my TP twice already this week. Bro, I'm telling you, edge TP by a point 2 days in a row. And then I missed the only setup that, or don't take the only setup that works. I wouldn't have targeted 3R, bro. I'd have done no partials, full TP, 1.5R. So it did hit TP. I would have done it this low. I don't go for 3Rs. I stick to 1 to 2. Yeah, that was my draw, but I'm not targeting a 3R. Data low looking sus, yeah. What, bruh? Hello? Why are you gonna call me and not say anything? No, I can't hear you. What? What, bruh? Bro, because you're stupid, bro. I'm sitting here talking to you and you're just not saying anything. Sure, bro. No, the 1 minute was not. It was on NQ. What? Bro, because. Fuck you, bro. You're right. It didn't inverse. You're right. It didn't inverse on NQ. Okay, I'm not so angry anymore. Bro, I thought we missed the first setup of the week, bro. The first winning one. What? Yeah, it didn't iFVG there. You're right. That was an invalid trade. Okay, I'm not as mad anymore. Thank you for that, Dulo. 1 minute. Ian, bro. Ian's an asshole, bro. Ian pisses me off. I don't have my phone, bro. That was like an hour ago. I was trying to send you something on Twitter. That was still like 30 minutes ago. Shut up, bro. Get on the charts. Lock in. You can't be having your Wi-Fi going out. You need to lock in, bro. Yeah. I'm glad it was invalid, though. Thank you, Dulo, for telling me it was invalid. Because, oh my gosh, bro. Edging my TP 2 days in a row and then seeing a full TP setup work that I don't take. But yeah, it being invalid, type shit. I'm not so mad anymore. I'm not angry. Yeah. Yeah, but it only inversed on MNQ, not NQ. W Dulo. Some chat say W Dulo. Oh my gosh, bro. It's actually so bad, bro. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even understand how mad I was. I wanted to crash out. I wanted to go on an epic crash out. Bro, I told you, you can't goon on the Wi-Fi router. You have to let the Wi-Fi router just like chill. I'm gonna drink my creatine on the way to hit my cold plunge today. Chat, say L Ian. L Ian.
What did I do?
Bro, you pissed me off.
Bro, you're about to take another invalid trade.
Bro, yesterday's was alright, bro. That was not on purpose. I agree. Take it as bro, should I just make more videos complaining about bad PA on
Yeah.
TikTok?
Every
Guys,
day.
today's PA was bad again. The FBI recovered the rifle used in Charlie Kirk's assassination.
Is it like that wooden rifle? Or not wooden, obviously, but has like a. I saw one that had like a wooden stock on it.
Let me see.
The heinous event that happened yesterday.
They just posted this here. Wait, I'm gonna mute it on stream just because it's loud. These Hikanoski candles. I don't want to choose Hikanoski candles. Bro, who wants to look at their chart like this, bro? Oh yeah, I'm gonna find the fair value gap in this, bro. What? You can't, bro. Yo, Ian, I got a question. Is the FBI like an individual situation, like not situation, but like an individual like group, or are they like owned by the government? Because I know the CIA is its own thing, but it's part of the government. Said it was a bolt action rifle. All right. I was just watching that. They found a rifle. They found the rifle that they said was used. But legs tomorrow. Tavin, take care. About to hit some shoulders and abs. Hope you find a good trade setup, homie. Have a good one. All right, bro. Legs tomorrow. Tavin, take care. I'm going to run a back test to see if on days where PAs is bad, it's worth taking trades instead of going to break even. What do you mean? Going to break even or taking no trades? You can get good. You can get some trades with bad PA. I'm assuming it's just ES is dragging us up with it since it's at all-time highs. We still got data low below on both. This PA, I'm gonna go get my phone. Take the trade and let it run without break even. Break even can definitely save you, but your break even has to have a reason behind it.
You even looking for anything right now or no?
We don't have anything, bro.
They're like, what do you
Our last
want?
1 minute fair value gap was 20 minutes ago.
No, I'm not talking about gaps. I'm saying like, what do you hope happens here? Take
Bro, I
buy
don't even
side.
know. We have
Take data
data. We have.
lows.
I don't know. I have no.
We're not taking data
We have
lows.
data high with all-time highs above, but we have data
Yeah.
lows from this morning. That data highs from yesterday. I don't even know, bro. We haven't closed above the 15-minute yet to give us bullish. If anything, we've just been making wicks at this the 15-minute gap here from Wednesday the 10th. You see the 15-minute before data high from Wednesday. You can look at my stream.
All right. On Discord or on
I'll
YouTube?
just do it on Discord. Look. We have this 15-minute gap here. Like, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't know what we're doing right now, bro.
I know it's rough.
We've been wicking this, so I'm assuming this is holding right now, which is why I'm looking for shorts. But if I'm waiting for us to close above this, so we can be bullish, look for buy side, look for data highs. I'll be bullish if we close above this, but right now we're still delivering from it because we could just make another wick here. So I want to see it close, and then we could look for a continuation.
Can never, ever, ever.
Let's see if PB took that. I want to see if PB took that. Just because it didn't inverse on NQ. I don't think there's no way he took something invalid. Or dodgy. Let's see the dodgy posted.
still to make up for it and try to be happy, but don't trade. Dude, this price action is just complete ass. Charlie Kirk died. I'm depressed. We have a data high, data low. Like, dude, life is just sucks for today, and I'm gonna go golfing still to make up for it and try to be happy, but don't trade this, please. We have two conflicting draws. I don't know what's gonna hit first. This is price action sucks. I this week.
Run to me, confession.
Yo, Ian, look at what I sent you on Instagram. Okay, we could get a close above here, guys.
If he exaggerates.
Get a haircut, or does it just like naturally like fall out for you? Quick question for Brez. Bro, do you ever have to like get a haircut, or does it just
Guys, should I get guys? Who here goes to the gym? Peanut, you go to the gym, right? You were talking about you got legs tomorrow. $15-minute close above, maybe is a breaker in lower time frame, maybe high, low, high, high, wait, high, low, high, high. Bro, wait, breaker is this. Pretty sure, right? Wait. Talking about on the 1 minute? I don't even know, dude. High, low, high, high. Wait. What? I don't remember what a breaker looks like, dude. Breakers are weird. I always get it wrong. It's... Okay, yeah, so it's high, low, higher, high. No. So it'd be low, high, lower, low, higher, high. And it would be, we're delivering off the breaker already. Or you could look at it like low, high, lower, low, higher, high, deliver off that. But breakers are weird, dude. Breakers are weird. Not my forte. Let's just hope this 15-minute close above gives us a bullish confirmation here, and we can look for long to data highs. Ian, how do you expect me to watch what you send me, but won't watch what I send you?
I don't really expect you to watch what I send you.
What?
Or because this is what you
Huh.
send me, bro.
Oh,
Why don't we
shit.
go stream what you sent me?
Look at what I sent you just now. How is it strange? Oh, what it's like dating. Look at the last thing I sent you.
Ooh.
Oh, Nick's sending me stuff right now. This is what Nick just sent to me, Ian. Oh, it was on my personal account. Sorry. I didn't mean to keep switching accounts. That's what Nick just sent me. Four minutes to see if this 15-minute closes, guys. Ian, look what I sent you. Look at the guy. Look at the old guy. Yo, Ian, look what I just sent you.
All right.
Haven't slept. What do you consider your greatest sexual achievement? Haven't slept with my wife in over a year and still had a baby. Apparently, sperm can survive for a long time in the uterus, and when this happens, the color of the color of the baby's skin gets darker. That's crazy.
I think that is a okay. So what's
Bro, Ian, did you see? Take any trades you entered just now? Entered what? Oh, you just joined now. No, I haven't taken anything. Bruh. 15-second hidden iFVG. No, I haven't taken anything. We still got like 2 minutes until we see this close here. Give us a confirmed bullish. We'll be at basically all-time highs. ES is at all-time highs. We still have data highs above from yesterday. We have all-time highs above as well, like I said. And we could look for something here if we close above this 15-minute. Could look for a continuation setup here for a long. Bro, shut up. Why you text me about something? My Wi-Fi went out.
number funding mechanism?
Oh my gosh. Ian.
What? What?
Wait. Oh, it's not real. Okay. I was about to say, bro, I saw something talk about David Rockefeller got 6 heart transplants. But it's not true. Okay. So we formed a 5-minute here. We could look for a pullback, honestly, to this discount 5-minute here. This the more discount, the one, not discount, but more in discount. Looking for a long to this data high now. We finally have an idea on, oh my gosh, crazy voice crack. We finally have an idea on where the market could go here. So 15-minute closed above. We could look for this, put in a failure swing, then get a long. Something like that is ideally what I would be looking for. Have unfilled 5 minutes. We tapped into the first unfilled 5-minute here. I would prefer a pullback to the one a little bit more in discount, to be honest, which would be this one down here. This 5-minute. Don't plan on entering a continuation this high up. I would prefer maybe we get a 30-second, but maybe we do like boom, 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 something like that. Data high setup. Just looking for something here. We have opposing draws. We have data low below, but price is very clearly bullish here. ES is at all-time highs. And we formed a CISD here with this high on the 15-minute CISD. Looking for a pullback to this 5-minute gap, the one that's a little bit more in discount. And hopefully looking for a continuation here to this data high. All right, just tried to explain what I'm looking at now. Did I take any trades between 11 and 12? Yeah, sometimes I do. But where's Peanut, bro? Where's Peanut? Peanut, are you in here? Anybody else in here go to the gym? Yoga. Someone say yoga. Bro, where's Peanut, bro? I need to ask him something about the gym. Let me see.
Ooh.
PB did take it, but he got stopped at break even. But it didn't even inverse. Why would he take it if it didn't even inverse?
Did maybe?
Oh, he did. He entered on the pullback. He entered on the pullback.
Did it pull back?
Yeah, look here. That's why his TP was a little bit farther. So it was this 1 minute short here. You see it? But you see this wasn't
Yeah.
the inverse. He didn't enter here. It inversed here. He entered on this pullback here. He entered like right here.
Okay.
And he was looking for the same thing that I was thinking would happen. Honestly, like I was really expecting
That
price to
gap?
come all the way to this 3 minute.
Yeah.
So he did this and he did no partials. But I would have done at least partials at 1R. Right here. I mean, obviously my fill probably would have been like somewhere in here. You can't bottom tick the fill exactly, but either way it would have been 1R. Okay. Makes sense to take it with that pullback at least. Because his break even was the same as where I put break even. Just this gap right here. But yeah. He's brave. I would not take a trade like that. Yeah, with the pullback. Yeah, sometimes entering on a pullback is scary because when you see price coming back, it's like I feel like it's gonna go against your trade. Am I in PB's Discord? No, he posted it on Instagram. I don't think he has a Discord anymore. Ian,
What's up?
are you gooning right now?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, the market's waiting for you to finish gooning in order for it to give us a setup. Okay. Wait, someone said. Wait, I gotta read this. Someone's. Bruh. Alright. Are we in this 5-minute? Okay, we tapped into this 5-minute here. We create any failure swings. Alright, we did create one. Created one gap here. Would be a really quick break even though. Would be a really weird RR. Okay, we are getting some good movement here in this macro. Maybe we can keep this PA. I mean, PA was honestly not horrible today. We just didn't get anything. Because let's look, guys, let's look post-market or post-market open, okay? Post-market open. We get a move down, right? Okay. Yes, we didn't take data low. But could we, like, was there any reason for us to take a loss here for data lows? No, there wasn't, right? Even if you had entered here and you didn't have the same break even as me, let's say you entered here and just for like a 1-to-1 to data low or something 1.5, you should have done break even at this 5-minute here. There's no reason you should have not won break even at this 5-minute here. All right. And again, I didn't like this because my break even was here. But yeah. And now this, we had the other setup here, which yes, it was invalid, but you could have gotten in on a pullback and at least gotten a 1-to-1 R. There was no reason to like this 5-minute here held, right? This 5-minute here held. There was no reason for you to not at least go break even anywhere here. So there's no reason for anybody to have taken a loss today. Does everybody understand? Okay, we have a 2-minute long here. Possible 2-minute long. I take this with one con on NQ, depending on the stop.
You're just doing this on NQ?
Like I can. Break even. I can, yeah, I can actually do this one on NQ based on the stop loss size. It would be a 2-minute. Wait, am I screen sharing still?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, why would break? No, break even's not up there. Break even's right here. Sorry, guys. I don't think I would do a full TP there. I'd probably just do a 1R since I only have one con. Now, if we close back below this 5-minute, I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna lie. I would want this 5-minute to hold. That's the only that, and because we inverse the 15-minute, obviously, but okay, maybe we get a lower one here. We could get a lower 30-second here, new leg. Seems like we might get this. Now for this setup, break even would be really close as well. Okay, so we got a 30-second here. SMT at the lows. I will do this with one con. if we get this. Maybe with MNQ actually. Let's see. Okay. Probably take this on MNQ actually. Again, break even there. I'm gonna take this on MNQ with 14 if we get this. Okay, we'll see here. We got like 20 seconds. Or not 20 seconds, we got 5 seconds to see if we inverse this. Okay, no inverse. We'll see about it here. Okay. I'm in there. 14 cons. Stop loss there. Break even is really okay. Okay, I'm gonna close there.
You're already break even?
Yeah, I just closed because it's gonna hit break even anyways. I just closed there. Yeah, that would have been break even there. I didn't plan on risking it, stopping it at break even. Because sometimes when you try to adjust your break even, because sometimes when you try to adjust your break even,
I didn't get stopped out.
no, because I put it a point above. I would have been stopped out there anyways.
I'm a point above too.
What was your fill? Screen share.
Um,
My
I'm trying to
fill,
manage my position,
it
pal.
was like mid.
Yeah,
My fill's always mid, dude.
lagging.
There's still the 2 minute here. If we get this 2 minute, I'll still take it. Sucks how bad my fill was though. I think either way it would have been break even there. On that pullback right after, I would have been break even. Let me see. Oh yeah, your fill was actually so good. My fill was at the top of that green candle on the 1 minute.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Mine was like middle of it. So
I'll enter if we get this 2 minute. I'll basically re-enter, but break even would be here. I'm happy you got in though.
yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I should have been break even there. I'm just slow. Look at this. I put my stop loss here because for some reason I was thinking this was my entry for like half a second. So my stop loss was here.
Yeah, I'll limit order this if I get it. Please, bro. Please limit order me in here.
I do like 6, 7 cons for partials.
I would do 8 to be honest. This is so annoying, bro. Please limit me in here. We could still both win this if it just limits me, bro.
Where's your limit set up?
At the retrace to the 2 minute.
Look at that. Okay. Oh, you're pretty close to that. Are you targeting AM highs as your full TP?
Probably just like a 1R. I would really prefer to manage my position on NQ than MNQ.
Yeah.
MNQ just sucks to manage on. Oh my gosh, dude. Why can't it just give me an entry, bro? Please, just once this week, bro. Instead of moving me at break even like that, dude.
But you should be close. Come on, go down. The difference is here, bro. I'm praying for, not praying for your downfall, bro.
I'm thinking about entering on minis, bro, or on micros, but it's already back up now. It's not even at my entry anymore.
You just need to dump a little
Just
bit.
because
Oh,
I
it's
would
not
only
dump.
need, I would only need to target this. If I get
many
this.
po- Alright, yeah.
Dude, so fucking annoying, bro.
It's annoying.
Ah! This shit is actually so fucking annoying, bro. I just need one trade. Just give me one fucking trade all week, bro. Holy shit. Just a fucking TP for this shit, bro. Why can't I just get one thing, bro? Just give me one trade. I'm so patient sitting here all day. All day, bro. All week I'm sitting here and we can't get anything, bro. I'm not even forcing trades, bro. We can't, like, I'm sitting here all day, every day, and we don't get shit, bro. Edging TP 2 days in a row. Like, what is this bullshit price action, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Of course, I got stopped at break even. My fill was here. And my
Watching
break
ES
even
is getting really close to this high. So I'm probably just gonna close position when ES takes that. If
Yeah,
it
mine.
takes it.
Yeah, mine got break even. Gosh, dude, why can't I just get one trade, please? Just give me shit, one shit, bro, please. Like, I don't get it. Oh my gosh, dude.
What if I can just go on ES on my phone?
Literally traded back to my, like, bro. Bro, Iansville was so good, guys. Iansville was all the way down here. Or not all the way down there. Wait, where was the inverse? Oh, yeah, the inverse was here. Yeah, he got to fill like down here. I don't understand. Wait, was that not an inverse? Where was the inverse? The inverse was 5730. So I think it was this one. So my fill was all the way up here, bro. Ian got like here for a fill. Like, oh my gosh, dude, I don't get it. Even if I didn't put my stop to break even a point above, I still would have been break even. Logan, are you in this 2 minute? No, I'm not in the 2 minute, bro. Did you not see what, bro? There's no way. I was saying I was looking for a retrace, bro, for my entry, and it hit my break even. So I'm not getting in this 2 minute. Apparently, we don't pay attention. Bro, I'm so aggravated right now, bro. I don't get this shit, bro. Like, just give me one fucking setup, bro. You're good, bro. You're good. I'm just mad, bro. Like, I don't get this shit, bro. Just give us one setup, please. Like, I don't get any of this, bro.
Or Vlad.
No, I told him my bad. I was just mad, bro. Yeah, you can also see if I'm in it, Vlad. I took this 30-second. And I got stopped at break even because of my horrible fill. I don't get how I'm so unlucky, bro. Like, what is this fill, bro? Literally way above the opening price of the candle.
Let me see your fill again.
You see it?
Oh yeah.
So even if even if I didn't put my break even a point above, I still would have been stopped at break even.
Yeah.
So I closed it when it was pulling back to my break even. Point above, I would have been stopped out. Literally, like, right here. Unless I just didn't follow my rules and didn't move stop to break even, then it would have won. And then this 2-minute would have been break even too. It's so annoying, bro. I can't do this shit, bro. It's so fucking annoying. Just give me a trade, bro. Just give me a trade. I don't get it.
What was your break even on that again?
What?
Is it this internal liquidity?
On the 2-minute?
Or, well, I can't see it,
It
too,
was
so I don't
this.
really know.
You're saying my 2-minute setup? The 2-minute
That was
long?
your break even?
Yeah.
No, the first one that you entered that you got stopped.
Oh,
Where was your break even there?
the same break. This break even.
Okay.
It makes sense. That's going into the 2-minute gap here, the unfilled part.
Yeah.
My fill was all the way up here. Like, I don't, like, dude, I don't get my luck with anything, bro. My luck is actually so horrible. My fill is always like this. And you gotta, I don't know how you gotta fill all the way down here.
I'm not sure.
Even if I would have got, bro, I wouldn't have been break even. Even if I got a normal fill, I wouldn't have been break even. Just a normal fill. Like, you got a really good one all the way down here, but if I would have just gotten a normal one right here, I would have been good. It would have edged my break even, but it wouldn't have hit it. It's
What?
actually aggravating.
Yeah.
Scared money don't make money. Shut the fuck up. My break even's not the problem. That's not even emotional, bro. Okay, bro. Shut the fuck up. Bro doesn't know anything about trading or the model I trade. Go trade your 22R with a 5% win rate. Go do that shit. I don't want to trade it. This PA is whack. Yeah. Dude, it's like my break even isn't even the problem. The fill is my problem, bro. Like, literally, I don't know why I entered on the open of, like, wait, entered on the open of this candle. Wait, what? Oh yeah. I entered right here and I got filled here. All the way up here. And my friend entered and got filled down here. So it's not like, if I would have just gotten a regular fill right here, I would have been fine. Like, my friend's literally in this. Look, my friend literally took the same trade, same break even and everything. And he's good because it's fill. And I'm not like, I'm literally saying that because I'm telling you the break even is not the problem. Oh, shoot. Literally showing you break even is not the problem. You only Ian, change your stop loss. It's still 15, I think.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
And I two, you do a short.
Thanks.
Hit confirm.
I didn't even see that behind the other
Oh,
one.
rage bait from MZ. Yeah. Bro, I'm so mad right now, bro.
30 minutes. See if we're still in this.
What?
How long you think this trade takes to do something? Actually, it's not that big. It's only like 20 ticks or 20 points, not ticks.
Muhammad been waiting to hate. Talking about Hikanoshki candles. Yeah, we're about to crash out. Just crash out. This is fucking break even, bro. Oh, my camera died. No way, dude. And it's going to run all the way to full TP. I hope it does for Ian, but so aggravating, dude. I've been dealing with
deep
bad.
Down inside, he's preying on my downfall.
No. I've been hoping like dealing with bad fills since I like started trading, bro. I don't know what I do to get bad fills, but I always get bad fills.
I don't think NASDAQ likes your sweet talking when you talk to it like that.
I don't think it likes me at all.
Time to go to ES.
What do you mean by bad fills? Why does that cause an issue? Because I got stopped at break even because of my bad fills. My entry should have been here, and as you can see, it wouldn't have been stopped at break even. But I got filled all the way up here, and as you can see, that is stopped at break even. Yeah. It happened last week too. Or not last week, I think the week before. I still get bad fills, but I got stopped out at break even a couple not last week, but the week before for the same thing too. Bro, I don't know how to get around it, bro. I've asked people like what they do to get around it, but they just said they like use limit orders. But a limit order I wouldn't have even gotten entered here because my limit order would have been all the way down here at the thing. Bro, I'm mad because I shouldn't have been break even. A bad trader, a horrible trader, would have gotten mad and re-entered. Bro, sorry I got edged TP 2 days in a row. So I'm kind of aggravated with this. Right? So sorry I'm kind of aggravated that I've been edged TP 2 days in a row. And then now I get a horrible fill which caused me to be break even on a winning trade. Sorry. Sorry that happened, bro. Next time I just won't be human and I won't have emotions whatsoever. If I was a bad trader, I would have acted on it. I would have been like, I would have tried to get in anywhere I could in here. Sorry, bro. Sorry, Muhammad. Bro, I don't have feelings in trade. Sure, bro. Why didn't you re-enter? Talking about on the 2 minute? I was gonna take the 2 minute, but I wanted a limit. I wanted a limit order. And I didn't get it. Even if I still waited for it, I still wouldn't have gotten it. Ian, you at TP, right?
My bad. Yeah, just went and hit it. It's muted.
Okay. Now I'm gonna post my shitty break even.
What's up with this candle right now? I don't know why this one's like pumping.
I don't know either.
Should have left runners for data highs.
I mean, you could have, Ian.
No,
I didn't
don't
tell you
think I
not
would have
to.
done that.
I wouldn't
don't
have
think I
done
would
it.
have done that.
I wouldn't have done it.
Maybe
Not-
if they were data highs from today, yeah, but
Aiden said re-enter, Ian. There's still time.
it's a good idea. Let's go, Aiden. You catch that with me? W signal from Aiden.
Oh my gosh, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna
What's
go
up
ahead and
with
go.
this
What?
candles? Like right now, it look like
I don't know.
it's like more movement than was happening during the market.
I don't know. I'm getting off though. It should, I don't know.